21, Atlanta.
Good morning, Dick Rochfort here. This is cruise climb in the Piper M600 or 23, 24, flight level 240, climbing flight level 280. It's a nice smooth day.
78, contact Atlanta Center 120.72.
2072.
Airplane is very smooth, very strong, very capable. We've elected to climb in the flight level change mode.
West 2644, checking in flight level 340.
It's my preference.
WestJet 2644, Atlanta Center, roger. WestJet 2644, descend and maintain flight level 330.
Gives us a little bit of time to get some things done. 130 knots is the preferred climb for me because should we encounter turbulence or ice, we're in a speed range that we can manage either one well. It's kind of where the two cross. VA, ice penetration speed. As far as the ride goes, we've got XM weather pulled up here. It's looking not terrible. Some snow showers out west. We're on our way to Iowa.
Center, good morning. November 17 Zulu Whiskey is with you at 270.
Washington, Muni. Alpha Whiskey Golf.
72 Zulu Whiskey, Atlanta Center, roger.
And during that climb, we're looking at fuel on board over destination.
Flight level 360.
These numbers here.
52 now, 360, WestJet 264.
As we get higher,
and WestJet
the destination fuel begins to get
change altitude. Climb maintain flight level 35035. Sorry about that.
Hey, absolutely no problem. Initially,
cruise a little bit. Once we get level, we'll set up for cruise and do the fuel sanity check. And set up for cruise, do the fuel sanity check, and then write down the ECTM, the engine condition trend monitoring. Now I know that's recorded at a rate of 1 data point per second in the top card on the MFD, but by recording it manually, we have a record that will allow us to
Delta 635,
peruse it as we wish, and the other data
622,
can be used to
230.
FedEx 3622, Atlanta
verify
Center,
that.
WestJet 2644, I need you level at flight level 350 in a minute or less for traffic.
Okay, expediting WestJet.
We've elected to put the weather, particularly winds aloft, on the
climb and maintain flight level 300.
On the MFD as a full screen. Of course, you probably know we can split that screen like so. It's just a push of this button down here. Go to a traditional map, but we can actually display more. In this case, our route is not all that complicated, but we can split it if we want. And for that reason, we could split it and put, for example, NEXRAD, which we have here, and radar, or vice versa. The light blue banner indicates that the number 1 touchscreen controller is managing that, and the dark blue indicates that the number 2 touchscreen controller, GTC, is controlling it. Then, of course, we can split the MFDs, or correction, the PFDs as well, perhaps for charts or whatever else we might need for the moment. So this is a nice VFR day. We're 200 to go, leveling at 280. We'll be setting up for cruise here. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.
Air Transit 614, contact Atlanta Center 124.42.